Friends, today we'll discuss about the topic LTE Advanced and 5G technology. If you want to more about that LTE and 5G, already I have given a lot of videos on my channels. Please subscribe and you can go for that more details about the 5G technology and 4G technology. Today, what I have done today, I came with the only comparison between 4G and 5G. What is the difference? What I am getting here in LTE technology. Once that 5G will launch, then how much speed I will get, what the difference I will get, all these things. So let's discuss on 4G and 5G. What is the comparison between 4G and 5G? We can see already 3GPP is working for the releases for different for 5G and 4G technology. Here we will come with what the release of given by 3GPP standard. LTE is advanced is working on the release 13 and beyond. If we talk about the fifth generation means 5G. So we are working already on a release 15, 16, and 17 beyond. It is IP based network. We can say it's 100% IPv6 network technology. It will work on the IPv6 technology. If you think about the data rate transfer speed, it is maximum. It is going up to 3 Gbps, means 3 gigabits per second via the LTE advance. But I'm not talking about the LTE. If we go for LTE only, it means 3.9G technology. Whatever we are launched in India, this is not a true LTE technology. This is 3.9G. Once you will go for the LTE, then we can get that 300 to 400 Mbps speed. But if we come for the LTE advanced, then we can get maximum speed 1 gigabits per second to 3 gigabits per second. That is our highest speed of data transfer in LTE advanced Pro. If we talk about the fifth generation, what we can get 10 times we can get the maximum speed of the maximum transfer speed compared to the 4G in the fifth generation. If we'll talk about the mobility speed, means if you are going to make a call in the LTE advance and your car, or it may be if you are going through the 300 kilometer per hours also, we can use your data services, you can use your voice once that LTE advanced technologies will come. If we talk about the fifth generation means 5G, our mobility speed will be 500 kilometer per hours, means same thing happen. You can use the data services and voice service at the 500 kilometer per hours. Right now, if you are thinking about 3G and 3.9G technology or 4G LTE, whatever we are saying, if you are going for 30, 40, 50 kilometer per hour speed also, so we are facing a lot of issue in the voice call and if the data speed also. But here, if you go for LTE advanced and 5G technology, a lot of difference will come. If we talk about the access technology, already we know that a lot of access technology is there. TDMA, FDMA, CDMA technologies, here BDMA. So here if we'll talk about the LTE Advanced Pro, we are using CDMA technologies, access technology. If we think about the 5G, for 5G we are using code division multiple access and beam division multiple access technology. Okay, that will a lot of if it, FTTX also IPv6, a lot of things will use the as technology. But here that access technology we are discussing about the access technology only. So here CDMA and here in fifth generation we are using CDMA and BDMA both. If we'll come with the frequency, okay, we can use the maximum frequency of 3 gigahertz and bandwidth is maximum 20 megahertz as per current situation. 20 megahertz we are using. So you can see here the difference between 4G and 5G. Here we can use the 3 to 6 gigahertz, and that is millimeter wave, and larger bandwidth 100 megahertz means how if your bandwidth is more than our capacity, capacity will be increased. Means if users latching users will be more here in the fifth generation, but here latching of user in the 4G at a time will be less because our VR bandwidth is less compared to the 5 generation, 5 times lesser than 5G. If we talk about the latency, that is latency as per theoretical value, it's given 10 millisecond, and here latency will be 1 millisecond. Means if we click on any video, we can start downloading. There is no browsing, nothing. But here it's taking for 10 milliseconds. But in this practicals, this is the theoretical values. If you go with the practical values, might be little bit difference comes. Okay, this is the theory, theoretical values I was trying to give you the difference between that 4G and 5G technology. That is LTE Advanced and 5G. If you want more details and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.